Discover the untapped secrets to earn a solid $300 per month using YouTube Shorts. Get ready to unleash your creative potential and transform your passion into a profitable online venture. Stay tuned as I reveal the ultimate formula that will skyrocket your income and change the game for content creators like you. Before we dive into the specifics, let's briefly touch upon what YouTube Shorts are. YouTube Shorts are vertical videos of up to 60 seconds in length, providing a fantastic opportunity for creators to captivate their audience in a short span of time. These shorts can go viral thanks to YouTube's vast user base and the shorts dedicated section on the platform's homepage. This viral potential makes YouTube Shorts an excellent platform for promoting affiliate products and earning a passive income. Now that you understand the potential of YouTube Shorts, let's discuss how to choose the right affiliate products to promote. In the health and fitness niche, there are numerous products that you can consider. For example, you can promote fitness equipment, nutritional supplements, or workout programs. Look for products that align with your target audience's interests and needs. By the way, we've produced a video on how to use ClickBank, an affiliate platform to start for free to make money online. If you haven't already, go watch this video because we give more details on how to choose a product to promote. And this can be helpful to put this strategy in place. Click here if you want to jump in this video now. So, when selecting affiliate products, it's important to consider the product's quality, relevance, and commission rate. You want to ensure that the products you promote are reputable and provide value to your audience. Additionally, pay attention to the commission rates offered by different affiliate programs. Higher commission rates mean more earnings for you. Now, let's move on to creating engaging shorts that drive affiliate sales. Remember, your shorts need to be attention-grabbing and provide value to your viewers. Here are a few tips to keep in mind. Show your audience the product in action, demonstrate its benefits, or use compelling graphics to grab attention. Since shorts are limited to 60 seconds, make every second count. Get to the point quickly and deliver your message effectively. Finally, encourage your viewers to take action, such as clicking the affiliate link in the video description or leaving a comment. One moment, please. Let's spread the knowledge and help your friends build their online businesses too. If you are finding this content helpful, give it a like and share it with those who can benefit. Don't hesitate to drop your valuable tips, suggestions, or inquiries in the comment section below. I'm eager to hear from you. Once you've created your engaging shorts, it's time to promote your affiliate product strategically. Here are a few effective methods. Include your affiliate links in the video description so that viewers can easily find and purchase the products you recommend. Pin a comment with your affiliate link at the top of the comment section to increase visibility. Share your shorts on platforms like Instagram, Facebook, or Twitter with a call to action directing viewers to your YouTube channel. This helps to broaden your reach and attract more potential buyers. Tracking the performance of your shorts is crucial to understanding what works and what doesn't. Pay attention to metrics such as views, engagement, and most importantly, affiliate sales. Analyze these data to optimize your strategy and identify the best performing affiliate products. As you gain traction and start earning, consider scaling up your efforts. Create a consistent schedule for releasing new shorts, collaborate with other fitness influencers, and explore new product opportunities to expand your affiliate marketing. Here are a few more tips to help you in this phase. Keep your audience engaged by regularly uploading new shorts. Consistency is key to building a loyal following and increasing your chances of generating affiliate sales. Partnering with other influencers in the health and fitness niche can significantly boost your reach. Collaborate on YouTube Shorts or create joint promotional campaigns to tap into each other's audiences. Respond to comments, ask for feedback, and foster a sense of community. Building relationships with your viewers increases trust and encourages them to support you by making purchases through your affiliate links. Congratulations! You now have a solid understanding of how to make $300 per month using YouTube Shorts and affiliate marketing in the health and fitness niche. Remember, success in affiliate marketing takes time and effort, so stay consistent and keep refining your strategy based on the data you gather. YouTube Shorts provide an incredible opportunity to showcase products, engage with your audience, and earn a passive income through affiliate marketing. So, start creating those captivating shorts, choose the right affiliate products, and watch your earnings grow. Before wrapping, I recommend you to check one of these two videos next. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Frequencyclick for more valuable content on digital marketing and online income strategies. Until next time, happy affiliate marketing, and I'll see you in the next video.